With a Jackery 500, cook shredded chicken in a crock pot? I don't know. Let's find out. We're setting at 100% on the Jackery 500. We're going to turn on the AC power. We're going to select our crock pot to 8 hours on low. And we're going to see how long it takes to cook this. Well, actually, we're going to go 4 hours on high. This is a 200 watt crock pot, and we're going to see how long it will last on the Jackery 500. We're going to check back in about an hour, and we're going to see where it's at. Stay tuned. Okay, it's now been 1 hour. Crock pot's still running. It's drawing about 171 watts. We're at 71%. So we're going to check back at least probably every hour until this Jackery dies and until this is cooked. It's still raw. It's defrosted now. It was frozen when I put it in. So that was about an hour of cook time so far. So far I'm impressed. So we'll just wait and see what happens in another hour. Should take about 4 hours. Hour 2. We're at 42%. Food's about halfway done. We'll see if this will go 2 more hours. We shall see. I don't think it's going to make it 2 more hours. I think it's going to be about an hour and 40 minutes. We'll just go ahead and come back when the Jackery dies, and I'll give you the final results and see what the food's done cooking. Hour 3, Crockpot's still on. It's about 15%. So it's losing around, I'd say 28 to 30% per hour on the Jackery 500. We're going to see how much longer it'll run, and I'll be back when it's done. Here we are at hour 3:34. 3 hours and 34 minutes, and it looks like it died. I watched it right when it died and marked down the time, and it took 3 hours and 34 minutes. Is our food done? I don't know. We're going to check that out here in a minute. Okay, is our food done? Let's see. Oh yeah, she's hot. She done. She done. Now I'm just going to plug this crock pot into the wall until I get ready to eat this, which will be in about another hour or so. So if you guys want one of these, I'll have a link in the description on Amazon where you can pick one up, and I'll leave a description of the crock pot. Again, if you're looking for one of these, power your crock pot, I think it will work. Just keep note of it takes 3 hours to kill it with the 200 watt crock pot. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll be doing more tests with this to see what else it can run. Stay tuned.